Hello everyone, my name is Disha Mehta, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company and a law student at Gujarat University. Today we are going to talk about the industrial dispute and basically the type of industrial dispute which are strike and lockout. In the first video we had already discussed about the lockouts, and in this video we are going to discuss about the strike. So what do you mean by the term strike? So strike are the offshoot of more fundamental maladjustments, injustice, and economic disturbances. According to Peterson, strike is a temporary cessation of work by a group of employees in order to express their grievances or to enforce a demand concerning changes in work conditions. According to Section 2, subsection Q of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, strike is a cessation of work by a body of persons employed in any industry acting on combination or concerted refusal under a common understanding of a number of persons who are or have been employed to continue work or to accept the employment. Now, there are two types of strikes. First one is the primary strike and the second one is secondary strikes. So, the primary strikes are: first, stay away strike. Workmen stay away from the work by organizing rally, demonstrations, etc. Second one is sit down strike. Here, workmen come to work but sit idle. The third is tools or pens down strike. Here, strikers do not touch tools, put down pens in case of office workers, and do not teach in case of teachers. The next one is the token strike. Here, strikers do not work for certain hours to warn the management of impending full-scale strike in case of its persistent indifferences to their demands. Next one is lightning strike. Here, strike called out without any prior notice is called as lightning strike. Next one is go slow strike. Here, workers reduces their pace of functioning. The next one is work to rule. Workmen here work strictly according to rule or job description without doing any extra work and not staying late even for a single minute after their stipulated work time. The next one is boycott. Disturbing the normal functions of an enterprise is called as boycotting. The next one is gherao, which is a physical blockage of a target area by encirclement intended to block the entry and exit from the premises. Next one is hunger strike. Strikers abstain from food for a limited number of hours in a day to register their protest, thereby drawing the attention of management to their demands. Now, what are the secondary strikes? These strikes are against a third party, cartels, political bunds, etc. Examples of the same are legal strike or justifiable strikes. Now, the following requirements makes strike a justifiable strike, which are: strike called for pressing economic demands like pay hike, DA, increment leaves, fringe benefits, etc. Second one is demands of workers are reasonable. For example, inhuman working environment, unsafe production process, lack of canteen or transport or housing facilities, etc. Next one is summary withdrawal of existing facilities like closure of PR, ration benefit, education loan, healthcare benefit, insurance benefit, etc. Hope you like it. Thank you.